Beneath your feet lies a hidden world. Millions of tiny engineers work 24/7, transforming dead matter into life itself. They have no brains, no eyes, yet they're among Earth's most important creatures. Today, we uncover the mystery of earthworms in your garden. Stay with us as we explore one of nature's greatest secrets, a creature so small, yet so powerful that without it, life on Earth would simply cease to exist. This is a journey into the underground, where the real magic happens. Let's start with the basics. An earthworm has no lungs, no heart, no brain, yet it breathes through its skin, pumps blood through 5 hearts, and thinks through a simple nerve cord. Basically, nature's overachiever. It's like the universe forgot to give earthworms the instruction manual, but they figured out how to survive anyway. In fact, earthworms have been around for over 600 million years. They've seen dinosaurs come and go. They've survived ice ages. They've adapted to almost every continent on Earth except Antarctica. Now, here's the amazing part that will completely blow your mind. Every single day, one earthworm eats its own body weight in soil and organic matter. Let that sink in for a moment. If you weighed 70 kilograms, that would mean you'd have to eat 70 kilograms of food every single day, for an entire year, without stopping. That's an earthworm's life. Imagine the energy they must have, the appetite they must possess. They're basically the most dedicated recyclers on the planet, and they do it without complaining, without taking breaks, without asking for recognition. An earthworm's body is absolutely fascinating from a biological perspective. It's segmented, which allows it to move through soil with incredible efficiency. Each segment contains muscles and nerves that work together in perfect harmony. They navigate through the darkness using sensors that detect light, vibrations, and chemicals in the soil. They know exactly where to go, what to eat, and how to survive. Scientists have been studying earthworms for centuries, and we still don't understand all of their abilities. It's truly remarkable when you think about it. Everything an earthworm eats becomes castings, nature's perfect fertilizer. And this isn't just any fertilizer. These castings contain 5 times more nitrogen, 7 times more phosphorus, and 11 times more potassium than regular soil. These are the exact nutrients that plants desperately need to grow strong, healthy, and vibrant. When you add earthworm castings to your garden, you're essentially giving your plants steroids, but the natural, organic kind that doesn't harm anything. But wait, there's more. As earthworms tunnel through the soil, they create underground highways, thousands and thousands of tiny tunnels. These tunnels allow water to drain properly, preventing waterlogging and root rot. They prevent soil compaction, which would otherwise suffocate plant roots. They help plant roots penetrate deeper into the soil, accessing nutrients and water that would otherwise be unreachable. They're literally building a better world, one tunnel at a time. Each tunnel is a gift to the ecosystem, a pathway for life to flourish. The castings themselves are also teeming with beneficial microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, and other microbes that form symbiotic relationships with plants. These microorganisms help plants absorb nutrients more efficiently. They protect plants from diseases. They break down complex compounds into simpler forms that plants can use. It's an entire ecosystem within the soil, all orchestrated by the humble earthworm. Without earthworms, this ecosystem would collapse. Think about it this way. If your garden were a student, earthworms would be its personal tutor, coach, nutritionist, and best friend all rolled into one. They're working around the clock to make sure everything is perfect. They're the unsung heroes of the agricultural world. Now let's talk about the numbers because they're absolutely staggering. 1 acre of healthy soil contains up to 1 million earthworms. 1 million. That's more earthworms than there are people in most cities, all living in a space the size of a football field, working together, eating, tunneling, creating, transforming. It's an underground metropolis of biological activity. In 1 year, those million earthworms process 20 tons of organic matter. That's equivalent to transforming 20 cars worth of material into nutrient-rich soil. Imagine taking 20 entire cars, breaking them down into their molecular components, and reassembling them into something beautiful and life-giving. That's what earthworms do with dead leaves, dead plants, and organic waste. They take what's dead and make it live again. These creatures have survived 600 million years of Earth's history. They lived through the Permian extinction, when 96% of marine life disappeared. They survived the asteroid impact that killed the dinosaurs 65 million years ago. They've endured ice ages, volcanic eruptions, and massive climate shifts. If there's one creature that knows how to adapt and survive, it's the earthworm. They'll probably outlive humanity. They'll probably be here long after we're gone. If you have earthworms in your garden, you get multiple benefits. Better water retention. Your soil holds moisture longer, reducing the need for constant watering. Improved drainage. Water doesn't get trapped, preventing root diseases. Healthier, stronger plants, because they're getting optimal nutrition from perfectly balanced soil. Reduced need for chemicals. Earthworm castings provide all the nutrients plants need, so you can say goodbye to expensive synthetic fertilizers. A balanced ecosystem. Beneficial insects, microorganisms, and plants all living in harmony. Your garden literally transforms when earthworms are present. Plants grow taller. Flowers bloom brighter. Vegetables taste better because they're nutrient-dense. The whole garden becomes more resilient to diseases and pests. But here's the mystery that keeps scientists awake at night. If earthworms are so incredibly important, why are they disappearing? This is where the story takes a darker turn. Over the past 50 years, earthworm populations have declined by up to 90% in some regions. Some areas that once teemed with millions of earthworms are now nearly silent, devoid of these essential creatures. Why is this happening? The reasons are numerous and heartbreaking. Pesticides poison the soil, killing earthworms along with the insects they were meant to target. Excessive tilling disrupts earthworm burrows and exposes them to predators. Chemical fertilizers alter the soil chemistry, making it inhospitable for earthworms. Climate change causes droughts and flooding that devastate populations. Urban development destroys their habitats. We've essentially declared war on earthworms without even realizing it. The irony is tragic. In our quest to improve agriculture and produce more food, we've killed the very foundation that makes soil fertile. We've torn down the house to get at the bricks. We've destroyed the ecosystem we depend on for survival. Scientists warn that if earthworm populations continue to decline at this rate, we could face a global soil crisis within the next 50 years. Crop yields would plummet. Forests would struggle. The entire biosphere would be affected. But here's the good news, and this is important. You can help. Right in your own garden, you have the power to reverse this trend. You can create an earthworm sanctuary. You can rebuild the ecosystem. You can make a difference. Earthworms need 3 things to thrive. First, organic matter. Compost, leaf litter, grass clippings, kitchen scraps, decomposing wood, basically anything that breaks down naturally. Earthworms love this stuff. It's their food source. They're nature's recyclers, and they absolutely love a good meal. The more organic matter you add to your soil, the more earthworms will be attracted to it. Create a compost pile in your garden. Let leaves accumulate naturally. Stop bagging up grass clippings and instead let them decompose on your lawn. You're essentially building an all-you-can-eat buffet for earthworms. Second, moisture. Earthworms breathe through their skin, which means they need to stay moist. They can't survive in dry soil. They'll either migrate elsewhere or die. Keep your soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Not like a swamp, but like a wrung-out sponge. This is the sweet spot for earthworm comfort. During dry seasons, mulch your garden beds to retain moisture. During wet seasons, ensure proper drainage so soil doesn't become waterlogged. Third, no poison. This is the most important one. Stop using pesticides. Stop using chemical fertilizers. Stop using herbicides. These substances kill earthworms directly, or they kill their food sources, or they poison the ecosystem they depend on. Switch to organic methods. Use natural pest control. Embrace composting. Use cover crops. Mulch your beds. Allow nature to do what it does best. Earthworms will return, and they'll bring an entire ecosystem with them. Before we conclude, here's one final fact that will absolutely astound you. If an earthworm is cut in half, the head end can actually grow a new tail. The head end can regenerate and become a complete functioning earthworm again. But here's the catch. The tail end cannot grow a new head. It will simply die. Why? Scientists still don't fully understand the mechanism behind this. There's something about the earthworm's biology, something in its genetic code or its cellular structure, that allows the head end to regenerate but not the tail end. It's one of nature's unsolved mysteries. In fact, we've barely studied most earthworm species. There are over 7,000 species of earthworms on Earth, and we understand the biology and behavior of only a fraction of them. Each species has unique characteristics, unique abilities, unique roles in the ecosystem. These humble creatures still hold secrets. Scientists continue to make discoveries about earthworms every year. They're far more complex and fascinating than most people realize. The next time you're in your garden and you see an earthworm, don't dismiss it as just a worm. You're looking at a creature that survived 600 million years of Earth's history. A creature that feeds plants, builds soil, and makes life on Earth possible. A creature that works tirelessly without recognition, without complaint. Take care of them, protect them, create an environment where they can thrive, and they'll take care of your garden in return. This is the mystery of earthworms, and the solution lies in your hands.